Today I'll show you how to use Substack and launch your very own newsletter step by step. Go to substack.com on your browser or download the Substack app. Click Get Started, enter your email, and set up your profile with a name, bio, and profile picture. Choose your publication name. This will be your newsletter brand. Add a short description so readers know what it's about. Upload a logo or banner for branding. Click New Post, then start writing in the editor. You can add text, images, links, embeds, even podcasts or videos. Once done, click Continue. Choose to publish now or schedule for later. Import contacts or invite people via email. Share a Substack link on social media. Engage consistently by posting newsletter weekly or bi-weekly. Go to Settings, then click Paid Subscriptions. Set your monthly or yearly price so readers can support you.